Get the best car security. Cars are a huge investment. Not only do you spend a hefty amount for the car itself, but you're also constantly shelling dollars out for gas and maintenance. Imagine for a moment that after you've put so much of your hard-earned money into your car, someone suddenly decides to steal it. Does the thought scare you? Then it's time you considered getting some security for your car. Sure, insurance offers you some protection, but it doesn't stop anyone from taking your car away. A good security system, on the other hand, will scare away all but the most hardened carjackers. Yes, security is another investment to add to your car expenses, but it can save you from having to spend a heck of a lot more should the worst happen. In getting the best security for your car, you first have to determine which type of security best suits your vehicle. There are three major categories to choose from: Audible, Inaudible, and Ignition System Immobilizers. Audible car security systems are perhaps the most common in the market. These are the car alarms that wake you with their relentless beeping at 4 o'clock in the morning. While these can be pretty annoying, they do a decent job of scaring potential thieves away. If you're planning on getting one of these, keep in mind how busy the street you live in is. Some alarms are more sensitive than others, and will start even if a noisy car just passes by, causing a lot of irritation. Some alarms have volume controls, but tend to be a little more expensive than those without. Take some time to consider your budget when getting an alarm. Inaudible car security systems are private alerts that discreetly tell you if your car is being tampered with. While this is more convenient in terms of noise levels, it loses greatly on the intimidation factor. Carjackers are more likely to fool around with your car if there isn't a blaring noise alerting everyone around that your car is being stolen. Ignition System Immobilizers freeze the ignition of your car if anyone attempts unauthorized access. While this may reduce the chances of your car being stolen significantly, it doesn't protect the valuables you might have left inside. There are also other forms of car security out there, such as steering wheel locks. Most of these devices debilitate a carjacker's chances of getting away with your vehicle. Perhaps the best protection you can get for your car is a combination of several systems. A steering wheel lock, for example, is highly visible from the outside and will discourage carjackers greatly. However, it might not stop some from taking their chances. That's where other measures, say an audible car alarm, will come in handy. Car security, after all, is a matter of scaring off potential thieves and of making things extremely difficult for those bold enough to try. Check your options, do your research on the various products you're considering, and find the combination that you believe is best suited to your car security needs.